Okay, garden update. The herb bed is looking overgrown per usual, and the our cover here, PVC pipe netting cover, is all still standing, all looking good. Carrots looking good. Looks like my dad recently weeded here. I took the weed whacker and just cleared out the our lettuce and carrot bed. Here's some. Oh, what I'm excited about right here is these are all sunflowers. So I'm gonna harvest a lot of sunflowers seeds, and I'm hoping to give a lot of those away throughout the future. So be on the lookout for sunflower seed giveaways. Okay, we had a volunteer cucumbers come up this year, so those are right there. But we have a lot of tomatoes. I need to go in and get those. I need to pinch off those extra. Right here, something like this. These extra little branches. Pinch off those little suckers right there. I know a lot of you already do that. I'm kind of lazy slash busy. But as you see, we have a lot going on here. Here's our eggplant. A lot going on. Squash, summer squash. On the far side has the raspberries. The two new peach trees are looking good. But yeah, garden update. This is July 11th or 12th. I don't know. It is hot.